Hi, my name is Curiel, and I was asked to talk to you about my career. I am a credit risk analytics officer at Wells Fargo. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the field of data analytics, data science, and data visualization. I was given a couple questions addressed, so what I'll do is I'll first state the question and then give you my response. First question is, please provide a brief description of your responsibilities of your job. Okay. So my job is to analyze data. I look for trends in the data. What I do is I'll take millions and sometimes billions of rows of data and I summarize it and I present it in charts and graphs in a way that my users or my internal customers can analyze their own data. This is called data visualization. Question 2, what led you to this career choice? It wasn't really my original career choice. I graduated with a degree in international business from UNC Charlotte. And while I was still a junior at the university, I had just taken a class called Introduction to Databases. So I had a vague understanding of what databases is. And at that time, one day we're sitting in a meeting and my manager said that we needed to build a new system to capture all the information. Unfortunately, they told him that the mainframe programmer said it would be about $1 million to build a system. And at that time I spoke up. I said, well, boss, why don't we just build it ourselves? And he said, great idea, Israel. You're going to build it for us. Needless to say, I'm 23 years old. I hadn't the faintest idea exactly how to do that. But he sent me to a one-week training class to learn Access Database 1.0. And that's how I got started in my career. Number 3, what were some of the goals that you had set for yourself for getting to where you are today? And did you run into any setbacks and how did you overcome them? Well, when I started working, I found that if I could provide technical solutions to the issues that we were facing in the jobs, it would very quickly allow me to be promoted and go on and move on to bigger and better jobs. And obviously with those better jobs come bigger pay raises. After I took the one-week training class for Access Databases, I then asked my bosses to send me to classes for programming, web development, and eventually data analytics using a product called Statistical Analysis Systems, otherwise known as SAS. So with each new job, I found new opportunities would open up, or with each new training that I took, new opportunities would open up. I think there were constantly setbacks because every time I was looking for these new jobs, I'd read through the job requirements and they usually had additional skills that I still didn't have. So the way I overcame them was I just took it upon myself. If I didn't get the training at work, I would just go take my own time and learn those skills so that I could apply to these new positions. Question number 4, what was some of the education and training that you needed? Well, fortunately for me, the company's always paid for my training. But today, most of what I learned, you can learn online. It's all out there now. I highly encourage you to go out maybe to YouTube and search for videos that talk about databases, programming in Python, data science, and artificial intelligence. You can pretty much learn everything that I've learned on the job by going online and researching it yourself. It just takes time. It takes time to learn these things. Question 5, give a brief description of your typical day at work. So before COVID, I would go into the office Monday through Thursday, and I usually work at home on Fridays. Obviously, during this COVID time, I can still perform my job full-time from home. But my typical day includes when I get there, I check my emails and calendars and respond to my emails. And then I'll take about 2 hours to meet with customers internally to talk about what they need in their reports. They'll present me their data, and I look at and talk to them about what kind of charts and graphs they think they might need. And then after that, there's always about 2 hours of meetings, just general meetings for the team that I need to address. And then the remainder of my day, I'll spend programming, pulling data from databases, and then designing dashboards with charts and graphs and filters. And I produce these dashboards for my customers to use so that they can do their own analysis on their data. Question 6, what do you enjoy most about your job? The thing I love most about my job is that I get to help other people. My job is to make other people's jobs easier. Frequently, when I show my customers the dashboards that I've developed, they're like, wow, that's amazing. Because I'm providing tools for analysis that makes other people's jobs easier. And they can do what they used to take hours or days to do, they can do it in the fraction of the time it took before. So, in a nutshell, that was my career. I hope that you'll consider possibly following a career in data science, artificial intelligence, data analytics, or data visualization. I hope you've enjoyed my presentation today. Thank you and have a great day.